Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the lowest common multiple of 22 and 44? Is it A. 22, B. 66, C. 88, or D. 44? The answer is D. 44.
The lowest common multiple of 22 and 44 is 44. Interestingly, the number 44 holds significance in various cultures and beliefs. In Chinese numerology, the number 4 is associated with stability and balance, making it a symbol of good fortune. So, in a way, the lowest common multiple brings a touch of luck.
Question 2. What is immunology the study of? Is it A. the immune system, B. living tissues, C. eggs, or D. the laws and phenomena of aqueous vapors? The answer is A. the immune system.
Immunology not only delves into the complexities of our immune system but also uncovers fascinating connections to unexpected areas. For instance, did you know that researchers have found links between the immune system and mental health? Understanding immunology can offer insights into how our bodies respond to stress and emotions.
Question 3. What is the name of a shape with 12 sides? Is it A. triangle, B. octagon, C. hexagon, or D. dodecagon? The answer is D. dodecagon.
The dodecagon is not only a fascinating geometric shape with 12 sides, but it also holds cultural significance in ancient Greek architecture. The Temple of Artemis in Ephesus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, featured a dodecagonal design, showcasing the beauty and symmetry of this unique polygon.
Question 4. What is meteorology the study of? Is it A. human beings killing other human beings, B. hair and scalp, C. weather, or D. animal diseases? The answer is C. weather.
Meteorology, the study of weather, has a fascinating history. In ancient times, people believed that weather phenomena were controlled by gods and goddesses. It wasn't until the 19th century that meteorology began to be recognized as a science with the development of instruments like the barometer and thermometer.
Question 5. What is a baby walrus known as? Is it A. a baby, B. a kit, C. a caterpillar, or D. a cub? The answer is D. a cub.
A baby walrus, known as a cub, is born with whiskers that help them detect shellfish on the ocean floor. These whiskers are incredibly sensitive and can sense the vibrations made by their prey, making them skilled hunters even from a young age. This unique adaptation helps ensure their survival in the harsh Arctic environment.
Question 6. In 1898, which noble gas was discovered and named after the Greek word for hidden? Is it A. xenon, B. helium, C. argon, or D. krypton? The answer is D. krypton.
Krypton, the noble gas discovered in 1898 and named after the Greek word for hidden, is not just a fictional planet in Superman's universe. This element is used in lighting products like fluorescent lamps and photographic flashes due to its ability to emit a bright light when an electric current passes through it.
Question 7. Which of these is a popular programming language? Is it A. Anon, B. Java, C. Flark, or D. Goku? The answer is B. Java.
Java was originally named Oak after the tree outside the creator's office, but it was later changed to Java due to trademark issues. The name Java is inspired by the coffee-loving culture at Sun Microsystems, where developers would often gather for coffee breaks.
Question 8. What is the smallest particle known to exist? Is it A. Quark, B. Neutron, C. Atom, or D. Proton? The answer is A. Quark.
Quarks are not only the smallest particles known to exist, but they also come in 6 different flavors: up, down, charm, strange, top, and bottom. These quirky names reflect their unique properties and interactions within the fascinating world of particle physics.
Remember, in the game of science and nature, every answer is a discovery waiting to be made. Keep exploring and stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.